Hello everybody, Bob Zima, frequent flyer to hell and back and mental wellness and mental health disruptor. And I'll tell you why. Too many people are running around thinking anger is an emotion. It is not an emotion, people, it's a behavior. If you're kicking, screaming, yelling, fighting, drinking, drugging, cheating on your partner, all of these ing things, all of these active verbs, because the last time I looked, anything that ended with an ing is a verb. So if I'm punching, yelling, screaming, cursing, fighting, drinking, drugging, as I just said a few moments ago, I am acting out. Acting out are verbs. Verbs are behavior. Anger is a behavior. Anger helps us express the true emotions that drive those behaviors. Hurt and fear. Anger is the sound of hurt and fear leaving our souls. And if you really want to end anger, if you want to do something about your anger, then you need to heal what causes that anger. And I'm here to tell you that healing can begin now. From the black depths of the soul where the mighty kraken stirs, anger can rise without warning, wreaking havoc, seeking trust, and leaving wreckage in its wake. But there be one captain bold enough to face the beast. Bob Zima, licensed clinical counselor and steadfast helmet of the Hole in the Soul crew. With compass in hand, will guide ye through the storm to quiet the kraken within. Set sail on this daring voyage to the bottom of your soul. There you'll discover how to heal your anger and calm the raging seas of your hurt and fear. The journey be perilous, aye, but the treasure of peace be worth the crossing. Visit bobzima.com for more information.